I'm going to show you how to make some customizations to the Quick Access Toolbar. To do this, we will need to open the Backstage view by clicking File, Options, and then Quick Access Toolbar. Here we have a long list of popular commands that we can add to our toolbar. If I click this drop-down arrow, there are additional commands available from specific tabs. Right now, our Quick Access Toolbar includes Autosave, Save, Undo, and Redo. To remove any of these options, you can simply select it. I'll select Save, and then click the Remove button. Depending on what you are working on, it could save you some time to add some different commands to your Quick Access Toolbar. If you're in a situation where you do a lot of collaboration on documents, you may choose to add the Delete Comment or the Insert Comment commands. If you're working with macros, you may want to add the View Macros command. For now, I will just select the Save command and add it back to our Quick Access Toolbar. And then I'll click OK to save the changes. You can also do some quick access customizations by clicking this drop-down menu and selecting the command you want to add. I'll select this Print Preview and Print option. It's been added. To remove a command, click the drop-down menu again and select the Print Preview and Print option. And just like that, the command has been removed. You can also use this drop-down menu to open the Customize the Quick Access Toolbar by clicking More Commands.